Get the chance to show us where to park up on the grid with one of these.
You can win a pair of tickets for a race weekend.
Win a guided tour down pit lane.
You could get to hand out trophies to the race winners.
So you can win the opportunity for a track experience lap in this car with us, and the 60-mile-an-hour speed limit does not apply.
Find out firsthand what us riders have to say straight after the race.
Get the chance to get strapped into one of these for a fast lap.
You'll get the chance to get up close and meet us riders.
Win an amazing VIP experience for you and your friends.
Get closer to the action with Bennetts British Superbikes.